Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of my training journals. Today we have March 4th and news today were this day, sorry, because I'm thankfully speaking from the future. This day was pretty soft in terms of news. Most of them were yellow, so we should expect a stable market, although that should have happened yesterday too, and it didn't. So let's just be aware volume and all that. Volume is currently at tier 10. And this one, is obviously going to skyrocket that. Candle is probably exhausted in terms of its own movement. Initial color change here. Then we have an explosion. Drop was more than half of the candle's body. There you have it. That would have been a loss if I made the entry based on the explosion only. Drop in, long week. Probably not going to be something like a continuation over the next candle. Drop was very big. We had a very similar situation yesterday, so we're not looking at a continuous market, rather a rotational one. So we have to be more strict with our decisions. Initial color change. Oh, very big.
Target filled.
There you have it. It was plus 80 as always. Well, not as always. Sometimes it has been more. But we took advantage of the mild short range here. 29 points for these two candles and almost 100 for the opening one. Color change pronounced. Seems stable. Could play for the next, and how it starts. Okay, that's clearly a lot more volume than the short side. Color changes, strong color change. More than half of candle's body for that reversal, so not going to trade that. Another grain discontinues. Drops more than half of the candle's body. Once again, that is a signal for not entering. We're waiting for this to probably take the long side. Here we have it, a green, no color change, pushes forward.
Order stop filled.
And, didn't manage to make the bounce. There was mostly a lack of strength there. That was less 65. Yeah, that trade came mostly out of fear and me getting anxious because last sessions had been like really fast, but not really because the candle was showing it, because strength just was not there. And as we can see here, volume is dropping a little bit, and that has to be taken into consideration for further trading. $27 points. Initial color change showing a mostly a weak to the downside. We're not having the usual strength as to act under the high volume market conditions, which hasn't happened in a while. Thus, if we're going to take a trade, it must be at the start of the candle, like pretty much earlier than usual. Color changes are now then just considering as out for the trade. Okay, this one's strong. Going to recover that base level we were in. And a peak in the volume. Reaction, clearly green.
Stop filled.
Oh, come on. The trade was good, you know. That one was good. But yeah, as you just saw, we got pretty much rejected. And that has happened multiple times. This one, I do blame it to myself. So that was last 65. We lost 65 here, then we lost. Oh, that was way more than 65 or 60, I think, on this candle. I'll make the math here. So that was around 6 minutes, and well, it is fine. Losses weren't. One of them was just pretty much uncontrollable, and over the second, I just didn't realize how the market was changing in respect of the behavior we have had the last like 2 weeks, maybe three, I think. No, over a month, because I even had to adapt my whole strategy in order to answer. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time around. Bye bye.